There is something special about cars that tell a story. The car you're about to see is a Mercedes SL from 1965, which has been driven for only 40,000 kilometers.
And what's even more incredible is that this car has been with its current owner just 2 years after its release. That's over half a century full of memories with just one car.
When this beautiful SL arrived, we knew that we have to give it a special treatment. This isn't just about detailing, it's about preserving history.
We started with a pre-wash using Green Star from Koch Chemie, which we diluted 1 to 10 to safely loosen up old dirt and grease. Then we cover the whole car with gentle snow foam, also from Koch Chemie, so that we have enough lubricant to contact wash the beautiful SL. After we carefully cleaned the exterior of the vehicle, we started spraying it with iron remover to break down any metallic particles on the paint.
Then we covered the whole car with gentle snow foam once again, but this time not only to clean it, but actually to use it as a lubricant to help us clay bar the whole vehicle. We soon found out that this Mercedes SL has been painted several times, and there was a lot of orange peel on that paint, let me tell you that. We carefully reduced it. We have used sandpaper from 2000 to 3000. We didn't exactly show that process because it was nothing too interesting to show.
And it took us quite a lot of time.
Yeah, exactly. And it's mostly able grease, anyone can do it. There are several videos on YouTube which you can watch as tutorials. Once the surface was perfectly leveled out, then we started polishing. Our method was Rupes Mark V polishing machine with wool pad and the red compound from Kohimi for cutting. Then we switch to a yellow pad, again from Koch with the yellow paste, to ensure that we remove all the bigger scratches or haze that was made during the process of cutting with the red paste. And to ensure that we give it that mirror-like shine, in the end we use the purple paste with the purple pad from Kohimi, once again with the DA polisher from Rupes. As you may know, you can polish a car only so many times. This is not something infinite. You have a certain amount of clear coat. And so to ensure that those results last, you need to put a ceramic coating over it. This time we use the Kohimi's ceramic body for 2 years of protection with a warranty backed by us. So whatever happens, this customer now knows that if there are any problems with his ceramic coating, he can come to us and we'll fix it for free. The ceramic coating actually makes the car stand out even more.
And it's not only for the looks. The ceramic coating is a protective shield for the paint. It guards the surface against UV rays, dirt, water spots, and especially here in the Netherlands where the weather changes every hour and you don't know what to expect, from rain and wind to salt and moisture, this protection is essential. It keeps the gloss intact and makes maintenance effortless all year around.
Also protects the clear coat itself, some scratching, so you can make sure that you don't polish it once and every month, and this way you can ensure that your shine lasts for longer time. So even when the Dutch weather tries its best, this car will continue shining just like it rolled out of the showroom now.
The moment we saw the results, we couldn't believe ourselves. The shine was unreal, and that's when we decided to create a whole new package to offer to our customers. It's called the showroom finish.
And the showroom finish itself, it actually ensures that we remove every single scratch of the car, no matter how many stages of polishing are needed. Even if sandpaper is involved, there is no problem with that. And this is something which our customers can now opt for in our website. If you want, you can support us, you can subscribe to this channel, and also you can tell us what car would you like to see next.
And if you want your car to have a showroom finish and feel like brand new again, you can book your appointment through our website, which is somewhere on the screen.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.